You may have seen these on the internet. Maybe you want to try it, but I'm going to show you a video about what it looks like if you do a bunch of silly things trying to work with this, like I think a lot of people will do. Stay tuned. I took it upon myself to hit up Amazon. I found a $40 kit, and it came with a bunch of sandpaper, stuff like that, some masks, because I'm sure this is terrible for you. And here's our special little aluminum cup, and that's a spider. Got him. And this is gonna plug into my weird coffee cup there. And this is plutonium.
Great Scott!
All right, here's everything came in the kit. 2 things of plutonium. 1 electrical cord, 1 coffee cup. Very much a coffee cup. Ooh, look at that. Little trickster. Tricky little trickster. So, coffee cup gets plugged in. This is the little vapor hat. This looks like some kind of tape, masks, a little sanding block. That's pretty dope. I like that, like a plastic back, foam on that side. And instructions that very much look like they were torn out of a 1999 magazine. Instructions for use. Attention, restoration vehicle must be parked in a spacious, windless, and rainless environment. Applicant must wear protective mask and goggles. Where are their goggles? Carefully pour about 100 milliliters of plutonium bottled restoration solution into the electric heating cup. Oh, shnikes. I hope that's not bad for me. 100 milliliters, how much is that? I don't know how much 100 milliliters is. Cover the heating cup, cap with sealing apron, either one of the 2 caps. Turn on the power supply and wait 5 minutes. There is no light on that, so I don't actually know if it's heating up or not. It moves slowly and uniformly from the effect of the lamp. See the effect of the refurbishment as it moves. I love translated English, it's so silly. The vertical inclination of the heating cup should not be greater than 35 degrees during this retrofitting and coating process of the handheld heating cup. This prevents the retrofitting liquid from flowing out of the steam outlet and the steam condensation from producing dries and leaks. Never want to produce dries and leaks. Completing this operation at one time can ensure the best effect of restoration, the lamp coating, and save the cost. Very important to save the cost. When choose the cover with hose. In the process of smoothly moving vapor coating, one hand holds the cup and the other holds the tube vapor outlet about 50 millimeters below the operation to prevent the steam condensation and dripping at the tube vapor outlet. If a retread coating droplet leaks to the lamp surface, please do not deal with it immediately. After finishing the refurbishment coating on the lamp surface, wait for 6 minutes or so, maybe even 7 minutes, and use 360, 600, and 800 water sandpaper to completely polish the place where the vapor drip leakage occurs. Wipe clean water and refurbish the coating. 3. Turn off power to the heating cup after application. Put away the cup for 4 minutes. Hey, they spelled minutes. Minimum to cool down. Remaining solution in the cup can be reused by pouring back into the original bottle with the rest of the plutonium provided funnel. Sweet. All over the ground. I think this is going to come down to a don't be a dumbass situation. I was the dumbass for you, so don't be like me. And close the sealing cover, rinse the cup and lid before putting into the toolbox and keep it in a safe place. Definitely safe from the Libyans in case that's who you stole your plutonium from.
The Libyans!
And this is gonna be super weird because I never do this, but I shot the first part of this video kind of as a joke, lighthearted, whatever. But when I actually did some research and I looked into what this stuff is, it is indeed chloroform. I know I joke about it and I call it plutonium and everything else, but listen, this stuff is super, super dangerous for you. I feel like an idiot because I did the whole first half of this video, completely no gloves, no anything like that. And it's really bad for you. And it really just made me think how much of this custom lighting stuff is super bad. How much of it is killing me. And I know that's a super deep, kind of serious note, so I'm gonna do a whole video on that coming up here soon, because I don't wanna make videos that go encourage you to go use stuff that's gonna create fumes that are super bad, that can honestly just cause cancer, mess up your brain, do all sorts of bad stuff for you. I don't want that to be what comes of these videos. So I'm not gonna show the rest. You're supposed to sand these lights down all the way down with a heavy grit and then work your way up to fine and polish and everything else. And the very last step is when you're supposed to use this vaporized chloroform to get the desired results, to get the results that these pros that I talk with on a daily basis are getting out of it. And I'm not gonna promote it. I'm not gonna show all of that. I'm not gonna go through all of that effort to show you something that you shouldn't do. So enjoy the rest of the stupid video as I just kind of bumble through these little goofy projects. But just know, this is bad stuff. Don't mess with this. I just wanted to put this message in there, and stay tuned for that video all about the safety and the hazards of custom lighting.